With the new Facebook layout, more of your personal information is visible on your profile, which makes it easier for anyone who visits your account to see those details. So, if you'd like to keep some of that information private, here is how you can hide it. First, go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. You can do this by tapping the pencil icon on your banner. In the profile settings, go to the Intro section and tap on Pinned Details. From there, simply uncheck anything you don't want displayed on your profile, then tap Save. After that, go back to the profile settings and open Personal Details. So, tap into each item, select Who Can See These, and change the audience to only me. Now, you'll have to do this for all the options that you want to keep private. Once you've done that, your personal info will no longer be visible on your profile, and if you'd like to take a step further and lock your Facebook profile completely, check out this other video and see you in the next one.